Good morning, selamat pagi. I am glad to tell you that it is an honor and privilege to meet His Excellency, the Honorable Governor, today. I have come very recently to Indonesia, only 3 months ago, and it is a great opportunity to discuss a lot of business prospects which can be done by the Indian companies in Jakarta. We have discussed mainly about pharmaceutical industry cooperation, IT industry cooperation, and also for different kinds of scholarship programs and training programs that Government of India has given to the citizens of Indonesia. I like to mention about 2 specific programs. One is for a short-term training program which is called ITEC, I-T-E-C, ITEC program, and I would like all working people, young working people who have done 5 years of working experience, who would like to go for special training on full scholarship by Government of India to apply under ITEC scholarship. Even journalists are included in that. There can be a short-term 3-month course for journalists, for anyone, for simply English learning, proficiency of English learning, IT-related training, rural development, financial management, office management. There are 64 different kind of scholarship courses, and you only have to apply to the Indian Embassy. Look at the website of ITEC scholarship, apply to the Indian Embassy. Once you are selected, you do not need to pay even a single rupiah. Every expense is taken care of by Indian government. This is ITEC scholarship. There is another fellowship program. And before I move to fellowship program, there are 100 scholarships every year that Government of India gives to Indonesian people. Similarly, there is fellowship program under which PhD courses can be done on full scholarship by Government of India, and there are almost 500 such scholarships which can be applied from Indonesia. So people can look at and take advantage of these scholarship programs. And I have requested His Excellency to inform everyone about these scholarships. We are in the embassy to help in giving more and more information. And through your channel also, I request young people who want to have special short-term training program or PhD program, long-term PhD programs in India on scholarship provided by Government of India. So, and then the last idea that we have discussed is to set up old age home facility for everyone from across the world to come here in Yogyakarta, who are able to spend longer time getting services of world class at reasonable cost, and this way helping the economy of Jogja in a big way. So these have been some of the ideas that we have discussed.
Why you choose Yogyakarta Bukhaman?